hitting me.
Miss, I can do this whole bridge in 3 jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? Try 2. 1, 2, 3. What? Why are you making this? Oh, keep it like that. Oh, that actually looks cool.
Don't kill me. I'm the guy who's building the bridge. Don't kill me. Come look at my bridge. Come look at it.
We won't
It looks pretty cool.
Same. Yeah, but it does look cool.
Great job. Keep up the good work.
Thank you.
I'm helping. I noticed about I'm helping, but in case anyone comes and tries to I'm saving you. I'll go break this back.
Yo, no, because I need hood.
It got me. Remember me.
No!
What the hell even is that? Ew. Go get me out of here.
Hey, you gotta help me, man. My team is still out there.
No!
Oh my god! Listen, man, you gotta help us. I'll pay you as much as I can. Some of my crew is still in the Wendigo area. No!
Where's the guy that dropped this?
Oh my god!
It was
Run!
I was hoping to get them.
He's breaking my bridge! Don't.
Ah!
Bridge over to repair? Bridge!
Man.
Banana. Hey.
Guys, stop. They're too
Why didn't you help me?
Why didn't I?
I just jacked out of
Yeah.
Because I couldn't.
Steve, you could have hit him with that.
We built a pretty cool bridge.
Oh, I fell in lava.
Above.
Hey, Zach.
Hey, stop!
Dip.
I asked you to stop hitting me multiple times. Please stop.
You're trying to kill me? I'll kill you.
I'm gonna get a lot of wood, Mace. From this massive tree.
I saw that monster, bro. I saw that monster.
Mace, you know this massive tree? You got a lot of wood from it.
No.
Then why don't you use it? Mace, you're going for it from the... Actually, no.
Oh my god, lift up or protect. Oh! Beat the Bob! Beat the Bob! Oh my... Yo!
Mace, I'm gonna be safe. 'Cause I'm building something.
What? Okay, you're cheating. You're hacking. You're actually hacking.
Hey, don't break my base.
Come here! Now! Come here!
There should be rubies around here.
Why'd you go pee in the cup? Please, I need you to place a block there.
No.